Disabling background task notifications in text messages on the Galaxy S25 helps reduce unnecessary alerts and keeps your notification panel less cluttered. This is how you do it. To get started, tap the Home button to go back to the home screen. From there, open the Messages app. Once inside, tap on the profile icon in the search bar. In the pop-up menu, select Messages Settings. Next, find and tap on Notifications. Then scroll down and select Notification Categories. Under the Other section, tap on Background Task. Here you can enable or disable notifications by toggling the switch. If you turn it on, you'll have the option to choose between alert or silent modes. You can also minimize notifications or decide whether to show app icon badges for background tasks on the lock screen. And that's it. You can now tap the back key to return to your messages list or tap the home button to go back to the home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.